pictures. Look at those colors.
Yeah, it's a hologram.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah. Oh, they're gonna do it again. They're gonna do it again.
I think the lady's gonna drive, right?
I don't think so. Maybe.
Yep. Do you understand what I'm telling you?
The hologram Lamborghini.
When she drives, and she comes back around this way.
What kind of Lambo is it?
Take a picture. I wonder if he has good insurance.
It's a hologram Lamborghini.
Did you take a picture?
I'm posting these on YouTube. Go. Really? They ain't no fun.
No, you need to fly.
See, you like fast cars like that?
Oh, yeah. I love doing the speedway. That's so much fun.
I saw like 20 Lamborghinis before. I saw a Lamborghini Aventador, and most of them were Huracans. I was at St. Louis at a rich area. Then I saw the Bugatti Veyron. Woo! Go fast, go fast, go fast. Go fast, go fast. That's boring.